Tracking uSmile orders in uDesign Cloud. Log into your uDesign Cloud account. Click on the Orders tab located on the upper left corner of your screen. On the top center of the screen, you can filter out any orders placed by typing out the patient's name in the search bar, or by using the drop-down menu to sort the orders by the date placed, the order type, and the order status. Below, you will find all the orders that you have placed. Under each column, you will find specific information about the order. These columns can be sorted out by ascending or descending order if you hover over the tabs and click on the up or down arrow located to the right-hand side of the column title. You can find the order number, the patient's first or last name, the order date, order details. This will show you which stages were ordered. Order type. This will show you which pricing option was purchased during the checkout process, whether it was an aligner or retainer bundle or the a la carte option. It also shows you the name of the treatment plan. The case status. This includes orders that have been submitted to manufacturing, those that are in production, orders that have been shipped, and orders that have already been delivered. The shipping method you chose during the checkout process. Options include standard, premium, or priority express shipping, and the estimated delivery date of the order. Once an order has been shipped, under the estimated delivery column, you will find a clickable link that will take you to the FedEx website where you can track your order in real time.